Jeremy here from High Noon Drone Showdown. Welcome to my channel, guys. Hey, so today is mail time. I've got some mail today. So guess what? I get to unbox something really cool, guys. All right, let me grab this here. All right, nice little box here. I wonder what's in it. Let's find out. Give me my handy dandy knife. Oh, yes. Don't do this at home. All right, guys, ready? Take it easy. This dude's pretty sharp, so I don't want to cut myself. All right, let's see what's in this here box, guys. All right, let me close this up so it's not laying here stabbing my couch. All right, so there's that. We got here some, ooh, fun. Okay, more of it. Oh no, look out. Look out. Oh, you can't see me. Ah, take that. And got some more. Got that. Got some more of that. Alright guys, so I got me what's this? Nothing in there. That's it. Empty. A nice little bag here. It says Casematix. Or yeah, Casematix. I'm sorry guys. So what do I have here? It's a surprise. Not really. I mean, for you it is. For me it is too, because it's kind of neat. I want to check this thing out. Can't get it open here. So anyway. Oh, come on. It's like Christmas all over again, but I can't get the package open. Haha. Alright guys, so check this out. It's my new case for my DJI Mavic Air. Check this out, guys. Check it out. It's a Casematix. Alright, let's open this sucker up, see what we got. So it's got two little tabs here. Lift up and pull. Just lift up. Okay, and it's got a vent on off. What is that? So it's got a vent there, and looks like we just pull up on it. Oh, look at that, guys. Okay, what we got here? We got the little certificate thing, a warranty thing, shop cases, and additional foam inserts. Pretty cool. Oh, so here's the inserts. So as you see, they got this is nice and foamy right here. Keep your drone nice and safe. No scratches. They got the spots filled in with the foam pieces here. So let's pull some of these out. There's for the battery slots. There's 3 battery slots in this case. I've only got 2, so I'll probably just leave that one in there. Here's the drone slot. Okay, here's the drone slot coming out. If I can get it out of there. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this foam stuff. That's pretty cool. Huh, I'll figure it out. I'll find something to do with it. And the remote controller slot. Now this is what's neat about this. Guys, on this in here. It's got the slot here. Pull it out. Okay, let me get this other one out. Alright, and see that? So you can put your remote controller in there with the joysticks. So you don't have to take them off of there. So there's that. Okay. Got all those out of there, guys. Let's see how this bad boy fits in here. Okay, so what do we want to start with first? The drone or the remote or the battery? I don't know. This is kind of crazy. I'm just going to put the battery in there first. So here's one of my batteries. Oh, guys, look at that. Got a nice snug fit. That goes in there pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's just go in order here. We'll just go from the battery over. So, let me grab my drone. This don't sit in there like any other way. So, here's how this works. You ready for this? The drone goes in here like so. So that's how the drone sits in there. That's my new Mavic Air. That sits in there pretty nice. I think I got it in there right. Hang on here. Let me make sure. Oh yeah, that's right. That's got to be right. It's got to be right. No, I'm just kidding, guys. That's right. But it does. It fits in there pretty good, guys. I like how it fits in there. It's nice and snug. Now let's go with the remote. Shall we put the joysticks on it? Let's do that. Let's put the joysticks on this here remote. See how this works. Okay, guys, so here we go. Let me do this real quick. All right, joysticks. Check. Pinched my finger in the remote. Check. All right. Here's the remote with the joysticks. Let's see here. And going in. Guys, that is a pretty nice fit right there. That is pretty sweet right there. Even though you want to stick the antenna down. Okay, I see now. So yeah, I'll turn it over. That looks better. That is a good fit, guys. Hey, I think I'm going to get quite a bit of use out of this little case. Let's see about closing it. Get it closed up here. Wait a minute. I got something stuck on me. Yeah, it's not going to close. My leg. Oh dear God, my leg. Okay, there we go. There's that, guys. Hey, look. This little mini case. It's not very big at all. I mean, you can't fit no accessories in there, but I don't really need accessories when I'm out. I just do everything at home, and I'm good to go. And have it all put up in here and prepared. Hey guys, I think this was worth 30 bucks. I got this off of Amazon. I'm not advertising for them in any way on this case. I'm just buying it, trying it out for my use, my own personal use. It wasn't given to me or anything. I bought it with my own money. So, as people would say. But anywho, yeah, this is the overall look of what you're seeing here. The drone, the remote with the joysticks on them, and the battery. So yeah, guys, they've done a real good job on this case. I do like it a lot. It's really secure. It's snug, and it doesn't have your drone shaking around in there. I like that real well. It's going to go wherever I go. I can tell you that now. And it's going to be my carrying case for the rest of the time out. Alright, guys. So, leave me your thoughts and your opinions and comments. And any questions, I guess, I can answer those. And, as usual, if you aren't subscribed, subscribe and like. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that notification bell to get my notifications when I upload new videos, because there's plenty more to come. Some real good ones, guys, coming up. And leave me some comments. If you are subscribed, hey, hit that thumbs up button. It looks kind of like this. Well, take that one away. It looks like this. And leave me some comments, guys. Either way, I'm happy with it all, and I'm ready to go. I actually want to go out and fly now. But alright, guys, as usual, happy droning and happy flying. I'll see you soon. Waha!